CAPM Overview Program. Section 1. Introduction to CAPM and Project Management. The CAPM is your foundational credential in project management. It tells employers you understand the core language and concepts, whether it's traditional, agile, or business analysis. It's a great starting point, especially if you're early in your career or transitioning into project roles. Think of it as your first major step into the structured world of project management. Let's understand the eligibility, cost, and exam details for the CAPM certification. To be eligible, candidates need two main things. 1. Education, a secondary degree, which means a high school diploma, GED, associate degree, or a global equivalent. 2. Project management education. You must complete at least 23 contact hours of project management education before taking the exam. These hours can be obtained through PMI-authorized training partners or any recognized provider. Now let's talk about the exam cost. For PMI members, the exam fee is approximately $225. For non-members, it's about $300. PMI membership, which costs about $139 per year, gives you access to discounts on exams, the PMBOK guide, and other valuable resources. Renewal of the CAPM certification is required every 3 years. You'll need to earn 15 PDUs, professional development units. The renewal fee is approximately $60 for PMI members and $150 for non-members. Let's now talk about the exam details and content structure for the CAPM certification. Exam format. The exam is computer-based and can be taken either at a Pearson VUE testing center or via online proctoring. Number of questions. There are 150 multiple-choice questions in total. Out of these, 15 questions are unscored, as they are pre-test questions used for exam development. Duration. You will have 3 hours, 180 minutes, to complete the exam. A 10-minute break is usually allowed after answering the first 75 questions. Now let's look at the content domains as per the current exam content outline, ECO. 1. Project Management Fundamentals and Core Concepts, 36% 2. Predictive, Plan-Based Methodologies, 17% 3. Agile Frameworks and Methodologies, 20% 4.0. Business Analysis Frameworks, 27%. These domains reflect the mix of traditional, agile, and hybrid approaches required in today's project environments. Real-world example. A university student in their final year can take a 23-hour online project management course to meet the education criteria and then apply for the CAPM exam. This helps them become job-ready immediately after graduation. Let's look at how PMI offers certifications for different levels of project experience and methodologies. 1. CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management. Focus. This is an entry-level certification that gives you foundational knowledge of project management, terminology, and processes. It covers predictive, agile, and business analysis methodologies. Experience level. No prior project experience is needed. You just need 23 hours of project management education. Best for. It is ideal for students, fresh graduates, aspiring project managers, or team members who want to validate their basic understanding of project management. 2. PMP, Project Management Professional. Focus. This is a highly respected certification for experienced professionals. It validates your ability to lead and manage projects using predictive, agile, or hybrid approaches. It covers all 3 domains: people, process, and business environment. Experience level. This is for experienced project managers with 3 to 5 years of project leadership experience and 35 hours of project management education. So in summary, CAPM is for beginners and PMP is for seasoned professionals. Let's now understand the third popular PMI certification, PMI-ACP, or Agile Certified Practitioner. 3. PMI-ACP Agile Certified Practitioner Focus. This certification validates your knowledge and experience in Agile principles and practices. It covers various Agile methodologies including Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and XP. Experience level. To be eligible, you need 12 months of general project experience, 8 months of Agile project experience, 21 hours of Agile training. Best for. Ideal for project managers or team members who are already working in Agile environments or plan to transition to Agile roles and want formal recognition of their expertise. Now, let's look at the real-world examples to differentiate better. CAPM. A recent college graduate wants to break into project management with a role like project coordinator. PMP. A professional with 5+ years of project leadership experience wants to take the next step into senior roles. PMI-ACP. A developer or team lead shifting to Agile roles, such as Scrum Master, wants to validate their Agile knowledge. So depending on your experience and career goals, you can choose the certification that best matches your profile. A project is not just work, it's specific. Remember 2 main things. It's temporary, it has a start and an end date, it won't go on forever, and it's unique. It creates something new, something that hasn't been done exactly this way before, even if it's an improvement or a new version. These 2 characteristics define a project. In this slide, we're learning how to differentiate between projects and operations, a very important concept in project management. Let's begin with projects. Nature. A project is a temporary effort. It has a defined start and end. Purpose. Its goal is to create something unique, like a product, service, or result. Outcome. The result is something new, improved, or different from before. Example. Designing and constructing a new office building. Once completed, the project ends. Now let's understand operations. Nature. Operations are ongoing, repetitive, and continuous in nature. Purpose. The aim is to sustain the business, maintain existing services, or produce repetitive outputs. Outcome. The result is standard and recurring. Example. Tasks like maintaining the office daily or processing employee payroll. So remember, projects are temporary and unique, while operations are continuous and repetitive. We've already seen the difference between projects and operations. Now, let's understand how they are connected or interrelated. First, projects can lead to new operations. For example, a project to build a manufacturing factory is temporary, but once the factory is ready, it starts operations like producing goods, so the project initiates an ongoing operation. Second, operations can create the need for new projects. For instance, if an ongoing operation is facing inefficiencies, it may lead to a new project to upgrade the system or software. So operations can trigger projects. Finally, projects and operations often intersect. This is especially true when it comes to resource allocation, like assigning team members or managing stakeholders who are involved in both. Real-world example. A project might involve implementing new CRM software for the company. Once implemented, the operation is the day-to-day use of the CRM by the sales team to manage leads and customer data. This shows how projects and operations complement each other. Projects are everywhere. They exist in every industry. This slide shows how project management is universally applicable across sectors. Let's look at a few industry-specific examples. Information technology, IT. Developing a new software application, such as a mobile app or enterprise tool. Upgrading an existing IT infrastructure, like moving from on-premise servers to the cloud. Implementing a cybersecurity system to protect data and networks from threats. These are all unique, time-bound initiatives, making them projects. Construction. Building a residential complex, like apartments or housing societies. Constructing a bridge or highway, which involves multiple phases and coordination. Renovating a commercial space, like redesigning a retail store or office. Each of these construction activities also has a clear start and finish, with specific goals. So, no matter the industry, projects are a key part of driving change and innovation. This slide continues to show how projects exist across multiple sectors and are not limited to IT or construction. Projects are everywhere. Healthcare, developing a new vaccine or drug. For example, a COVID-19 vaccine project. Implementing a new electronic health record, EHR system to digitize patient data. Opening a new hospital wing as part of healthcare infrastructure expansion. Manufacturing, designing and launching a new product line, such as a new smartphone model. Setting up a new production facility to meet growing demand. Improving supply chain efficiency through automation or process re-engineering. Marketing advertising. Launching a new advertising campaign, for example, a product launch ad. Developing a new brand identity, including logo, colors, and tone. Organizing a major corporate event, like an annual company meet or product exhibition. Education. Developing a new curriculum based on industry needs. Implementing a new e-learning platform like LMS, Learning Management System. Accrediting a new academic program, such as a new MBA specialization. Real-world example. Whether it's building a skyscraper, launching a new car model, or organizing a music festival. All these are projects. They have a defined start and end, and they aim to deliver a unique result. Why bother with structure? Because without it, projects become messy and often fail. Structured project management gives you a roadmap, helps you manage risks, use resources wisely, and keep everyone on the same page. It transforms uncertainty into a manageable process, greatly increasing your chances of success. Project success isn't just about finishing on time and budget. It's about delivering real value to the business. It means the project helped the company grow, saved money, made customers happier, or gave them a competitive edge. Ultimately, it's about making a positive impact on the bottom line and overall organizational health. Welcome, everyone. Today, we will discuss the important role of a project manager in an organization. The project manager is the person who leads the project from start to finish, ensuring that all project objectives are met. Their role is multifaceted. They act as the bridge between strategic goals and actual execution. Let's walk through the key responsibilities. 1. Leadership. The project manager guides, motivates, and manages the team to ensure everyone works towards the common project goals. 2. Planning and execution. They are responsible for creating a clear project plan and ensuring that it is executed smoothly and on time. 3. Communication. A critical part of their job is to facilitate clear and effective communication among team members and stakeholders. 4th, risk and issue management. They must be able to identify potential risks, analyze them, and take action to resolve issues as they arise. 5. Stakeholder management. Engaging with stakeholders and managing their expectations is key to project success. 6. Scope and quality management. Finally, the project manager must ensure the project meets the agreed scope and delivers high-quality results. In short, a project manager plays a central and strategic role in ensuring that the project is delivered successfully. We will discuss the important role of a project manager in an organization. The project manager is the person who leads the project from start to finish, ensuring that all project objectives are met. Their role is multifaceted. They act as the bridge between strategic goals and actual execution. Let's walk through the key responsibilities. 1. Leadership. The project manager guides, motivates, and manages the team to ensure everyone works towards the common project goals. 2. Planning and execution. They are responsible for creating a clear project plan and ensuring that it is executed smoothly and on time. 3. Communication. A critical part of their job is to facilitate clear and effective communication among team members and stakeholders. 4th, risk and issue management. They must be able to identify potential risks, analyze them, and take action to resolve issues as they arise. 5. Stakeholder management. Engaging with stakeholders and managing their expectations is key to project success. 6. Scope and quality management. Finally, the project manager must ensure the project meets the agreed scope and delivers high-quality results. In short, a project manager plays a central and strategic role in ensuring that the project is delivered successfully.